Today, we've got an exciting update on Samsung's One UI 7.0, based on Android 15. If you're as curious as we are about the latest features and changes, then you're in for a treat. So let's dive right into it. Recently, one unlucky X/Twitter user, Chun8888, got early access to a device running One UI 7.0 and has been sharing some interesting snippets about the update. One of the most talked about features is the new bottom search bar in the app drawer. This change aims to make one-handed access easier, aligning with Samsung's design philosophy that started with the first One UI back in 2018. In the leaked images, we can see a custom theme applied to the icons using Android's color palette feature, but the star of the show is the app drawer's bottom search bar. This isn't the first time we've heard about this feature, but it is the first time we've seen it in action. The idea behind moving the search bar to the bottom is to enhance accessibility for users who prefer one-handed use. While it's not confirmed if this will be the default setting, having an option to switch between top and bottom positions would be ideal for user customization. But that's not all. The One UI launcher will also see other significant changes with One UI 7.0. Samsung is allowing users to disable labels for app icons and widgets on the home screen and app drawer. This could lead to a cleaner, more minimalist look. Samsung is also refreshing the icons for its proprietary apps. However, this change has received mixed reactions from users. Some love the new look, while others are less enthusiastic. We'll have to wait and see how these changes are received once they're officially released. In addition to these launcher updates, there are also some improvements to the lock screen. While specifics haven't been fully detailed, we can expect enhanced customization options, possibly similar to what's available in competing devices. For those eager to test these new features, the One UI 7.0 beta program will soon be available. Originally rumored to launch on July 29, the beta has been delayed. This delay is likely due to Samsung's focus on rolling out One UI 6.1 to existing devices, which debuted with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. If you're interested in joining the beta program, keep an eye out for official announcements from Samsung. This is a great way to get hands-on experience with the latest updates and provide feedback that can help shape the final release. Moving on, let's talk about some of the specific app updates that are part of One UI 7.0. Two apps, Clock and Samsung Internet, have seen some changes, thanks to the latest leaks. Starting with the Clock app, we noticed a handful of UI changes and similarities. One of the most notable updates is the addition of icons in the toolbar at the bottom. While these changes might seem minor, they contribute to a more streamlined user experience. Now onto Samsung Internet. Unfortunately, this app hasn't received as many tweaks as the Clock app. However, it's important to remember that these leaked builds are not the final versions. They might undergo further changes before the official release. We decided to test these updates in a new video, which you can watch above. It's worth noting that these leaked updates are not officially available, and Samsung now disables sideloading on its latest phones by default. So while you might be tempted to try them out, it's best to wait for the official release. Overall, One UI 7.0 is shaping up to be an exciting update with a focus on user customization and accessibility. Whether you're excited about the new app drawer search bar, the refreshed app icons, or the potential lock screen improvements, there's something for everyone. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on these leaks and updates? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yunnan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.